Yep, and that's how I do my morning routine. Let me know about how you do yours down in the comment below. As y'all see, I just did my morning routine. The time now is 7:27, January 13th. Getting ready for school, and I'm gonna update y'all once I get packed or either in the car. I'll try to pack in my bag. See you in the car. Alright, I made it in the car. I'm low-key running late. I'm not even gonna lie, because I got class at 8:30 and I do want to get some breakfast. So, but time now is 7:52, and I'm gonna let y'all know when either I make it to some breakfast or get some gloves too. But I'm gonna let y'all know. I'm gonna update y'all. So if I haven't already told y'all, today, first day back in school, second semester for welding. And this year, well, last year I did stick welding, and now I'm doing TIG and MIG welding. There's like three different types of welding. There's a lot of ways to weld, but three main types of welding. I got class at 8:30. Hopefully I make it to some food first. In class, but it's 7:56. I am low-key late, but that ain't that. When I get some food, it either might be McDonald's or Chick-fil-A. I'm not gonna lie, but like Chick-fil-A hash browns they never hit. I'm not gonna lie. So let me know what y'all be getting. I be getting that chicken biscuit from Chick-fil-A with the hash browns. As I say, they don't hit, but and then from McDonald's I get 2 hash browns and sausage biscuits with some grape jelly. I remember one time this lady gave me strawberry jelly. No, bro, it was horrible. I'm not gonna lie to you. But enough yapping, and I'll update y'all later on. honestly, I decided on a Chick-fil-A biscuit. I'm just gonna get the biscuit. They hash browns, it's just not good. Yeah. I'm gonna update y'all when I get the glove. Alright, I made it to Harbor Freight, y'all. Truck with this shit. Yeah. Let me start having this. It's 8:19. Class start at 8:30. Am I gonna make it? To be able to have time to eat? I don't know. Here we go. Okay, y'all, I was most definitely in the wrong section. They literally have a section called Welding Accessories. I'm not even lying to you guys. There you go. But, they right here. I want the white or black. Come on. Bro, it's 8:25. I ain't gonna be able to get no food. I'm not gonna lie. And then they haven't came in, so I might as well just get that and white. This. All right, I'm gonna get this. Yeah. Is this large or is this large? Get these. And this too. Alright. I just spent too much time in there. Seems like I'm not getting breakfast as I expected. I'm not gonna lie. But that's fine because I just know I'm gonna eat good after class. So it might be a freaking Panda or a Magoo's. We got Zaxby's. I ain't had Zaxby's in a while. I do want the nibblers though. I'm not gonna lie. The nibblers be good. I'm gonna show y'all what I got when I get to the school though. Y'all, Huncho and he top three. He top three. I'm not gonna lie. So it'll be out to be if you tell me you sorry. 2 wrongs don't make a right. She do me wrong and I dog her. Oh my God, who is saying that? But Huncho was like, time now is 8:30. I don't usually be late though. I don't. Right now, but I pray I be good by tomorrow. Can't let her get the best of me, so I never call. True, I'm bound. I know I'm hurt right now, but I be good by tomorrow. She right now. I'm the best, and she know it. Sending me prayer, I enjoy it. All right, now we like 2 minutes away from the school. Hopefully they ain't did nothing. I mean, I ain't gonna lie, my own teacher be late to class, so. But I mean, it's first day, so I expect her to actually be there, on time. But no excuses. Try not to be late next time. All right, I made it to school. It is 8:39. I did park on the way in. That's my fault. That's what I get. But that's what I got. Got some gloves. These. Got some all thing gloves. And then I got pliers because the snowstorm. I ordered some on Amazon, but they didn't deliver it because storm. But I got these, but I need to hurry up and get in though. I'm just now getting out of the car after a long time, basically. But I'm heading to class now after being a little bit late. I don't even know if we're gonna weld today, honestly. But shoot, it was better having it than not having it. So So it's cold, bro. Let me. Can I come in these doors? Hopefully, I do not feel like walking around. Nah. There we go. Oh, it's built in here now. It wasn't built in here at first. Yeah, but now everything looks good. Hopefully they haven't started anything. Probably have, but hey. Can't get my service. Oh, they haven't. I see him. No show sign, right? I don't want to see this one here.
What? It's not. It doesn't.
Oh, it gives you all the questions. Of course, so it is. Every time I press lunch, it's not coming up. So what does he want us to do? It's only like a short response, I bet. So yeah, it's not too much I can do for it. I don't even know which class is it. This is the TIG one or the MIG one? I forgot. It's the MIG one. Okay, and then tomorrow TIG, and then so what? We go to school. I go to school tomorrow. Do y'all go to school tomorrow? What is? Nah, I got 2 classes, but it's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Bro, wait, go on the what's it called? This right here. Go on this. It'll show your schedule. See, look, watch it. Registration, student schedule by day and time. See, look. I got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Then I got my math class, but that's online though. Wait, what? To March?
To March. They said March 10th. It says Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
Exactly, I told y'all. Great, you know, get some gloves and some pliers, bro. My pliers didn't even get delivered because Amazon in a snowstorm. I'll show you. These right here. And then I got these. Like,
yeah, I got the same gloves.
Yeah. These, this cost like $24. No, I be gonna. Bro, I ain't gonna count.
Yeah, we were like
a hot minute, bro.
Next question.
Yeah, he most definitely. Dang. Yo, what? I don't even know my grade for that class, but I'm not even gonna lie to you. So I'm guessing I completed my no-show, or you say it's unopened though. What does that even mean? I'ma just show them that it's saying an error. We show y'all live. This is where we weld everything at in here. It's a little calm live, you know. You got the don't ask me what this is. I forgot what it is, what it's called, but it punches the metal. But it's down there, like it cut, basically. Freaking weld test. Too bad I ain't go there. But just the booths and stuff. Welding machines, all that. We're gonna do a lab tomorrow, and I know I'm gonna vlog for that for sure. This the booth. This used to be my booth right here, like right here. It used to be mine. I mean, we don't got specific like assigned booth, but you know, you use this one right there. And then I had switched over to this one right here, cause the machine was way easier, right? It's just, yeah, you can see it. There you go. Yeah, air vent, all that other stuff. Then you got the metals right here. You got aluminum floor, well, aluminum Looking on my hair. But yeah, that's the welding. That's this the lab. You know, pretty spacious, pretty big. I can't wait to be back in here, bro. I ain't been doing nothing but going to work and going home, bro. But I either catch y'all boys tomorrow here or there might be a separate vlog. I don't know yet. I'm gonna figure it out. But I'm finna go. Alright, y'all. I made it to the car. It is cold, bro. It is very cold. Let me just see how cold it is, bro. Look, 30. Listen, this is showing 30 right here. Yeah, I'm gonna get a chicken biscuit from Chick-fil-A. I'll update y'all when I'm there, though.
Hi, welcome to Chick-fil-A. Can I have an input order?
Ryan,
What can I get for you today?
can I just get the Chick-fil-A biscuit?
Okay.
And that's it.
Any sauce or jellies?
Grape jelly.
Gotcha. Alright, it'll be $3.80. Go ahead and pull the rest of it in.
Alright. Chick-fil-A biscuit. I ain't want to have plenty of times I don't want it. Oh, my wallet. Yeah.
That's 380. You can tap or insert. Alright, and it'll be out shortly.
What'd you say? 380? 280? I know it ain't no 280. So you gotta be like 380. Alright. Oh, they say, I swear, I could have sworn it said, when I first got to Stanley, it was like the little cup right here. It said non-spill or, yeah, something like that. Like, it said non-spill, and bro, it spills almost every second. I'm not doing it purposely, I'm leaning over to get something in my bag and freaking drops on the, it's just so much fun. Don't get me wrong, I like the Stanley, it's cool. But I mean, I could have sworn it said 9 spills or whatever. Might be tripping though. I couldn't say shit. Okay, it says no, Stanley cups are not fully spill proof.
Doesn't need a candy. But when it need out in the safe no place, I can see it on her face and she'll get where she wants you.
Right now, for real, like, I feel like if Mike switched out the glove for the pen, it's deep in insecurity.
If I do in the vlog, let me know down in the comments what y'all want me to do, what y'all want to see on this channel more. Because I'm pushing more towards like daily vlog in my life, whatever. But if y'all want to see other stuff, just let me know. And let me know if y'all in school, college, whatever it is, how y'all first day back went. Let me know for y'all second semester. because I know most people in Georgia, they just started back. So let me know how that went, and yeah, I'll catch y'all boys either on the next vlog or I might continue this vlog. So yeah. Time now is 8:43. Am I late again? Kinda. But today we're gonna do our lab today. I don't know what the lab is, but we will see when we get in there. Alright, so in this clip, y'all, I'm just breaking down the MIG machine, and we basically putting it back together, and it's like 3 of us. And as y'all see, my teacher comes over there and checks us out, see what we doing. Alright, right here, I'm just showing y'all a better view of the machine, because I'm going to show y'all later on in like a few seconds on how I really broke down the machine, and just really from my memory too, I'm not going to lie. But yeah.
Just make sure that's...
Alright, y'all. We just did our lab, and basically what we had to do is take this part off. I can't do it right now because it needs 2 people, but take this part off, fold it, bring this up, cut the wire, move this out. Once you move this out, unscrew this, put it on the floor, then. Alright, so I showed up and did my no-show assignment. Well, actually, no, I did not. I'm still having trouble logging in for some odd reason, but I know that I need to do my no-show, and then I need to, so tomorrow I'm gonna come back and actually weld, so y'all gonna see what I really do tomorrow, but it's gonna be a continuous vlog, I think, so I'm gonna update y'all tomorrow once I'm back here, you know. This is gonna be a weekly vlog, basically.